Hi there, ukulele friends. I have been on the lookout for a battery-operated amplification system, one that'll take both an electric acoustic ukulele and a microphone. Why? Well, it's my charity efforts. You know, I do things like I have busked outside my local Starbucks to raise money for Survivor Girl Ukulele Band. I have also performed at the local farmers markets in several locations, performing in order to raise money for Survivor Girl again. And then also I wanted to do nursing homes. The last time I did a nursing home, before I like maybe a handful, less than 10 people showed up. And I came at Christmas time and I had over 100 people show up. And it's like, it was just me and my ukulele. So I really had to belt out the tunes, and that's not very healthy on your voice. And it's probably not the best experience for the listener either. So in a nutshell, that was probably a pretty long story. That's why I wanted to get a battery-powered amp. I have no idea what this is going to turn out like. I threw a dart at Amazon, bought this with my own money. Let's see what we've got. Well, folks, this was a fail. Oops, my dog's going to get in the photo here. So this is a pretty amp and everything, but it doesn't do what I wanted to do, does it, Tika? No, it doesn't. This amp was supposed to come up as being one with a rechargeable battery. It was the first one on the search, and even though I read the Amazon description, I'm going like, really? But you see here, it came up first thing on a search when I did amps for busking. But as cool as looking as it is, and as versatile as it seems as an amp, it's not going to do what I expected it to do. So I'm going to bundle it back up, and thank goodness to Amazon Prime, I have a free return. So back to the drawing board. So here we are. This is amp number 2, and it's awfully small. Let's open it up and see what we got. Okay, boy, it is compact to say the least, and I see here that it's already got some battery life in it, so let's plug it in and see what we got. So here it is out of the box. You can't see quite the bottom of it because my table's too low and my camera stand won't go down lower, but you know, it's not an unattractive looking little jobber. It is about the size of my small little practice amp. I'm not an audiophile, you know, I've been an acoustic player for a long time, but I do happen to have a chord, and so it says guitar up here, so I'll show you that. It says guitar up there. You have to turn the power on, and it's about medium charge right now. I am going to plug in my instrument. If any of you are interested, this is a Martin Koa wood ukulele. I got this, I've been playing ukulele maybe about 6 weeks when I bought this. No regrets. I'll have a link down below. It's about a $500 instrument. And then my husband and I performed surgery on it. Oops, this is getting a little loose here. And we put my side under the saddle amplifier. And the nice thing about this amplification system or pickup system for this uke is that you charge it with a jack that goes in it, and it's good for 120 hours. So yay, because I'd be silly enough to not bring extra batteries when I'd need them. So looking at this, well, let's see if we got anything. Well, I'm not hearing a whole lot of difference there. Let's turn up the volume. The volume on the guitar was all the way up. Okay, that would make, here we go. Oh my gosh. just me? That sounds like a lot of sound for this little beast. Oh, I am so pleased already. And I'm looking here on the back. Let me turn that volume down and I'll show you what I'm seeing on the back here. I'll explore some more, but it also has a Bluetooth function. So if you wanted to put backing tracks and things like that and you want to Bluetooth them into this, I use iReal Pro. You could do that as well. It also has a mic jack and with separate controls. So let me grab my husband's karaoke mic. Yeah, okay, oops, it's plugged in here. Let's plug it in here. It has an adapter that works with several different kinds of mics. Now I got the volume turned up on this too. Testing, 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 testing. Now that I'm not getting a whole lot of juice off of. Testing, testing, testing. Let's me turn the overall volume on. Testing, 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 testing. I can hear that's amplified, but it's not nearly as much as the ukulele. I got the microphone going. Oops, there it is. I got the microphone going. There's a weird thing on this karaoke, and so I have to hit this button once, and it works. So, got that figured out, thank goodness. I hope I'm probably not blasting your ears out. I probably am. I'll see what I can do in editing, but hey, everything's working great. Well, I've been having fun playing around with this BP Mini battery-powered mini portable amplifier, and I'm going to keep it. The price is reasonable. I got it off of Amazon with free shipping. It was what it said it was. So in here you've got the mic input. You've got, it says guitar. How guitar-centric of you. But you can plug your ukulele in. You have separate volume controls for both inputs. You can change the bass and treble mix. And then on the microphone, you have a reverb. You have a choruser on the guitar. I don't think I'll use a choruser, but yeah, who knows? Reverb. This here is a function if you're going to do Bluetooth. And when you turn it on, it shows you how much battery that you have. On the flip side here, this is where you plug it in order to charge it up. You can hook it up to other output systems. So for example, if you were using this just as a monitor and had bigger speakers, you could put them all together. This is an auxiliary input for a phone. So think of like the phone that you back in the olden days, or at least it was olden days for us, when you could plug your phone into your speaker system of your car. That's what that is for, until they started going with phone chargers and stuff like that. And there's a headphone thing. So it is lightweight. I could easily hold it in one hand. And so, for a senior citizen here, holding it with one hand, good thing. I like the look of it. It's not obtrusive. It doesn't look ugly. It doesn't look fabulous, but it doesn't look ugly. So I think for me, this is a winner chicken dinner. What are your thoughts on this? Do you have any need for electronic equipment? I hope that you do. I hope that you have a chance to go out and help raise money for charity, or lead ukulele jams, or play at senior centers, kids centers, what have you. All right, thanks much for watching to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that good stuff. I'll catch you on the next video.